If you have enabled the foreign currency functionality in Sage 1, you may notice some differences when creating your transactions for your customers and suppliers from other countries. Creating invoices and credit notes for customers or suppliers from a different country is done in the same way you would create a normal invoice. When creating invoices, credit notes or quotes for a customer or supplier from a different country, the default exchange rate appears in the top section. Whether you choose to use the live exchange rates from the European Central Bank or set a default exchange rate in the foreign currency settings, you can overwrite the exchange rate used on the invoice if you require. To do this, click in the exchange rate field and type in the exchange rate applied to this invoice. If you have products with a default price or services with default rates, the price or rate is converted based on the contact's currency and the exchange rate used. When you enter an invoice, credit note or quote for a VAT registered EU customer, or for a customer outside the EU, the VAT rate is automatically set to 0 rated and you can't change this. Recording the receipt or payment for a customer or supplier from a different country can be done by clicking Record Payment on the invoice or through the banking section as normal. In both cases, you are required to specify the exchange rate applicable to the payment or receipt and any currency charges in pound sterling incurred by your bank, as well as the normal fields such as the date received or paid and the amount received or paid. If you need to process a refund for your customer or supplier, this is done as normal by clicking Record Refund on the credit note or choosing the supplier or customer refund in the banking section. In both options, you need to enter the exchange rate applied to the refund and any currency charges in pound sterling incurred by your bank, as well as normal fields such as the date the refund was made and the amount refunded. Dealing with customers and suppliers from different countries doesn't have to be complicated, and Sage 1 makes it easy for you to process these transactions.